Hello everyone. In this video I am going to show you how to identify and validate a phone number using a regular expression, and I'm going to be using a bash. So here I created a script.sh file, and here we're going to be recording that script. So the first line is always is the shebang. So let's import the shebang, that is bin bash in my case. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to be validating the Pakistani phone numbers. So the basic format for Pakistani phone numbers is first we have four numbers. The first two are static, and then we have the phone number provider codes, like the TNR have four something, and then we have zone that is one, I guess, 1 2 1 8 1 7, something like that, and then we have 7 digits. So that is how the phone number is going to look like, and that is what we are going to be validating in this script, and that is what we are going to be writing the regular expression. So let's create a simple variable and create a simple phone number. So let's say this is the long number. So then we have 7 digits after there, so 7654321, and this is the valid phone number. So let's say I want to, and this is to be underscore. So let's say I want to identify whether this is a valid phone number or not using a bash script and regular expression. So I will use regular if condition, and then here I will pass phone number, and I will try to match this. I'm gonna check where this matches the regular expression that we are creating right here or not. So here, as you can see, it starts from 0318. So these are the numbers from 0 to 9. So here we can say like start from 0 to 9, and the length is 4, as you can see right here. So we can pass the length in curly braces, and then we have the dash sign. So you can say like plus and then pass the dash sign. Here we need to add backslash, because it is going to recognize that part of the regular expression, but this is not this is not the part of the regular expression. This is this dash that we need to identify in our regular expression. Then we have 7 digits from 0 to 9 and have a length of 7. So as you can see here, so here we will write like from 0 to 9, and the length is 7, and then we are going to be ending of this. So this is how we can identify our phone number like this in a regular expression. So if that is true, I mean this phone number matches this regular expression, then let's echo a message like the phone number is a valid phone number. And if that is not the case, then echo another message that is, let's say, is not a valid phone number, and end of the abstract. So let's control alt shift F to format this, and let's execute the script. Alright, so here I'm in the terminal, and here is the script that we have. So I will type bash and then script.sh, and it says this number is a valid phone number. So let's change this and see how it going to print a message about, like, if I change the length to be greater than 7, now this is not a valid phone number. So let's see if that is going to throw an error like that. So you can see it works, and it throws error that that is not a valid phone number, because we added 8 characters after dash, and here we checks like where the length of the characters that is after dash is 7 or not. And the same thing we can validate here, like if I add another digit, and here we are checking where this is 7 or not, and this is now not 7, so this is not 4, so this is also going to throw the same thing, this is not a valid phone number. Now we can check the dash as well. So if I remove the dash and come here, as you see, it is not a valid number, because we are checking where it contains a dash after 4 characters or not, and after dash we are checking where it contains 7 digits from 0 to 9 or not. So that is how you can identify phone numbers in a regular expression, and the language can be anything, but this is the regular expression that you're going to be using to identify phone numbers like this. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.